Hey everyone, welcome back to Change Radio News. Today we're diving into something that's been on everyone's mind lately, the undeniable rise of NELSONCHAMISA and the ongoing corruption drama within ZANU-PF. First, let's talk about Chamisa. Advocate NELSONCHAMISA has been shaking things up with his grassroots movement. Unlike the traditional top-down leadership we've seen for years, Chamisa is all about people-centric governance and social justice. He's engaging directly with citizens, giving them a voice in shaping Zimbabwe's future. This approach is resonating with a lot of people who are tired of the status quo and craving real, meaningful change. The support for Chamisa's vision is growing rapidly, and it's clear. Zimbabweans are ready for a shift. They want empowerment, inclusivity, and a departure from the old ways of doing politics. Chamisa's movement is more than just a political campaign, it's a community effort to build a better Zimbabwe. Now on to the upcoming SADC summit. Zimbabwe is gearing up to host the 44th SADC summit, with President Mnangagwa taking over the chairmanship. This event is causing quite a stir within the local opposition, especially among Chamisa's supporters. There were rumors that SADC would intervene in Zimbabwe's political landscape, but those claims turned out to be baseless. Many Zimbabweans see these rumors as desperate attempts to undermine the current government. As Zimbabwe takes center stage, the SADC summit is likely to expose internal divisions within the opposition. It's a critical moment that could solidify Mnangagwa's standing within the region and reveal the struggles for relevance among opposition figures. Speaking of opposition, let's not forget the drama within the CCC. Despite facing threats of recall, several CCC councillors attended a meeting organized by former party members aligned with Chamisa. This defiance underscores the deep divisions within the CC and highlights the ongoing leadership crisis. Gift Siziba, a close Chamisa ally, has been vocal about these internal conflicts. He's accused those attempting to recall elected officials of undermining the party's future. According to Siziba, the future of the movement lies with Chamisa and the people, not with internal power struggles. With Chamisa emerging as a unifying figure for many, the CCC's path forward remains uncertain. Meanwhile, in the ZANU-PF camp, it's fascinating to watch members now discovering corruption within their ranks, a corruption we've been raising alarms about for years. Remember, corruption was the very issue they vowed to tackle in 2017 when they marched under the guise of a coup aimed at renewal. So where is the change they promised? As they scramble to accuse each other, one can't help but wonder, wasn't this supposed to be a new era of accountability and transparency? The promised change seems more elusive than ever. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more updates, follow Change Radio News on our WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.